Hola amigos, bien o no, y saludos desde Inglaterra. El tema de hoy es para practicar algunas veces en forma más lento cuando tú puedes decir con mucha claridad cada sílaba de cada palabra. Eso es el tema de hoy. So, the theme of the day, to help us with our fluency and particularly our pronunciation, is sometimes when you practice, particularly when you're doing reading aloud, is to slow down the way you're reading and the way you're speaking. Slow it right down so that you can really sound all of the syllables. Now, you will end up having a very theatric kind of sound to your speech, and it will sound a bit strange, but by slowing down like this, you can really feel all of the sounds you are making. And this will help you see sounds that you find difficult, which are probably causing problems with your general pronunciation and the way people are having trouble understanding with clarity what you're trying to say. So rather like reading aloud and trying to project your voice, another way to do it is to go much slower and really sound out all of the syllables. So try it, because that going slower will get you very conscious of how you're making the sounds. On a happy thought, I'll say cheerio for now.